Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is EdTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very interesting because we are going to share one good news with all of you guys. If you are someone who's working at TCS, then this is going to be important for you. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end. The important thing is that TCS has just announced its salary hike update. Yes, you heard it right. TCS is going to give salary hike to all of its employees. Now, what is that? We will discuss everything in detail in our today's video. But before moving forward, I request you all to please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that, and share this video with share this good news with all of your friends who are working at TCS. So the important update is that TCS management and CHRO has mentioned that they are pleased to announce a compensation revision for all eligible associates in grade up to C3A. So if you are a C1, okay, or you are a C3A or anything for that matter, right, C1Y, you will be getting a salary hike. Your compensation will be revised, okay, and this will be covering 80% of the workforce. This is again important. 80% of the people will be getting salary hike. Now, what will be that percentage? We will discuss in further video, okay, further part of this video. This will be effective from 1st September 2025 onwards. This means that if you are someone is working at TCS from September onwards, right? In the end of the September, you will be getting revised compensation salary, okay, in your account. Second important thing is that this means that they might be soon rolling out the new compensation letters also as per the salary hike, okay, all the appraisal cycle, right? So they basically want to give and cheer up all the people at who are working at TCS basically, because there was a lot of negativity around TCS layoff and no hiring policy. Okay, basically they did not plan to hire a lot of candidates. Every year they target around 40 to 50,000, but this year they are not targeting that number. So there was a lot of negativity around that, but definitely this is going to be a good news for all the TCSers. Next important thing, what will be the percentage of the salary hike? So ideally, a lot of people believe, a lot of analysts believe that they might roll out a salary hike of 0 to 6%, meaning that people who are not performing very well in the project, they will be getting 0% salary hike. People who are performing on average, that will be 2% to 4%, and top performers might also get 6 to 8%. This is what a lot of people are commenting right now. A lot of managers are saying this thing. Now there is important thing that is happening at TCS again, that a lot of people are discussing about, that whatever top management, okay, top level players, a lot top level people who are working, or the employees basically, management is asking strictly to reduce the budget of the project, right? So what they want to do is, the budget will be same, sorry, but the amount of people that are working currently on the project, that should be reduced, okay. The employee strength should be reduced, so that the people who are having higher salaries, they will be removed from the project, and lower salary people will be added if required. Okay, so there is a budget constraint. Okay, what is the amount of people can be deployed for that particular project, and what is their salary? So this is certain consideration that is taking place at TCS right now. This is again an important reason to worry. With this, I would like to end our today's video with a thank you note for watching this entire video till the very end, and congratulations again, because you are going to get the new compensation letters and salary hike as well. Till then, keep watching AirTech.